Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson entrepreneurship. Yes, today we have to know about that what are the business an entrepreneur can start actually, or can do. So the entrepreneur can do, the first one is advertising business, then the marketing consultancy, then industrial consultancy. Industrial consultancy in the sense he can give the guidelines and everything in industries, and he can open the Xerox centers also, Xerox copying or photocopying. Then the beauty parlor, he can open the beauty parlor, he can open the browsing centers, cable TV operation, testing labs, like that. And also he can open the photoshops, many like that. Many business the entrepreneur can start. These are the few examples only. So next we have to know about that which are the financial institution can give a loan for the entrepreneurs to start his business. That is the financial institutions. Many financial institutions can give a loan for the entrepreneurs to start their self-employment, like that. So which are those financial institutions give a loan or help for the entrepreneur to start his business? The first thing is IDBI. Short forms you have to get to know, and it is very easy also to learn. IDBI. What is the full form of IDBI? Industrial Development Bank of India. Next is NABARD. NABARD full form is NABARD. So NABARD full form is National Bank of Agriculture. National. NA stands for National. B means Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development, or means Rural Development. That is the NABARD. Okay, IDBI, NABARD. Then the next thing is Exim Bank. Exim means export and import. EX stands for export and IM stands for import. Exim Bank. Then Small Industries Development of Bank of India, that is the SIDBI. SIDBI means Small Industrial Development Bank of India. This is IDBI. This is the SIDBI. SIDBI. Next, in the same way, the SFC. SFC in the sense State Finance Corporation. State Finance Corporation. In the same way, IFC. IFC means Industrial Finance Corporation. Then ICICI Bank, you can get to know that. What is mean by full form of ICICI? Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India. Along with that, the LIC. LIC means Life Insurance Corporation of India. Along with UTI. UTI means Unit Trust of India. So these are the along with that, many commercials and the other banks also will give a loan. Commercial banks. Okay, commercial means the banks which are helps for the trading only. They are called as the commercial banks. So these are the financial institutions which help for the entrepreneur to start his business. Which are those? I'll recall again. IDBI, note down the full form of that. IDBI means Industrial Development Bank of India. In the same way, SIDBI. So SIDBI means Small Industries Development Bank of India. NABARD, National. NA means National Bank of Agriculture, Rural and Development. Export. EX means export. IM means import. Exim Bank. Then SFC, State Finance Corporation. Then IFC. IFC means Industrial Finance Corporation. Then ICICI. What is the full form of ICICI? Industrial Credit Investment Corporate of India. Industrial Credit Investment Corporate of India. Then LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. Then UTI, Unit Trust of India. Then also some commercial banks will give the loans for the entrepreneur. Okay, to start his business, or they will give the financial support. Okay, next, some promotional organization to promote the entrepreneur and his business and everything. So which are those promotional organizations? Promotional organizations work as a promotion for the entrepreneurs to sell his product and everything. So they are called as the promotional organizations. I mean, they helps to sell his product and to give a more profit for him. They are called as a promotional organization. I mean, they are worked as a marketing consultancy also, which are promotional organization. Okay, before selling, the marketing is very important. Okay, everything will comes in this. Even advertising also will comes in this. Which are those like work as, that is the district industrial centers, DICS. Okay, DICS means district industrial centers. Then SIDs, some small industries development corporation limited, small industries development corporation limited, SIDC. Then NSIC, national small industries corporation, NSIC, national small corporation, in a national small industries corporation. Then small industry service institution, SISI, small industry service institution. Small scale industries board, that is the SSIB, small scale industries board. Next is KIADB. I mean, they are also known as the industrial estates, industrial industrial estates. Next is technical consultancy organizations, that nothing but TCO, technical consultancy organizations. And KVIC means Khadi and Village Industries Corporation. Khadi, K stands for Khadi, V stands for village, I means industries, and corporation. So KVIC. These are the promotional organization which help for the entrepreneur, or which promotes the products of the enterprises. Okay, which are those? I'll recall again. DIC means district industrial centers, SIDC means small industries development corporation, NSIC national small industries corporation, SISI means small industry service institution, SSIB means small scale industries board. Then industrial estates. And TCO, technical consultancy organization. And KVIC, K means Khadi village industrial corporation. Okay, these are the some promotional organizations which help for the entrepreneur to promote its products. Okay, so this is about the financial institution and promotional organizations, and very important, most repeated also. Next, we have to know about that successful entrepreneurs. In the next class, we have to know about the successful entrepreneurs who got the success in their business and who make a name and everything. And that is the last part. Till that, keep learning, and thank you all.